Welcome to this Windows Server Home Lab. My name is Abdurrahman Jirda. On the first series, I have installed the Windows Server image on a VMware station. Now I will gonna update the server and the time zone and configure a NAT network and assign an IP address manually. So this is our server manager. Click on the local server. This is our server manager. We are on the local server. This is our computer name or the server name. Until now, there's no any Active Directory domain. So let's see if there's any updates for the Windows. No updates available. That's good. This is the time zone. Let's change the time zone to our time zone. It's right here. Click OK. By default, the remote desktop is disabled. Let's enable it. And then click apply and then OK. Let's assign or create a NAT network. Let's add a network. Change it to NAT. And the IP address will be 192.168.100.0. It's going to be our NAT IP address. Oh, I have already this host. Let's remove it and click apply. Now let's change the VM network. Settings. We have the network adapter, custom, VM net3. Scan our adapter and assign it manually. IP version 4 properties. Our IP address will be 192.168.110. Subnet will be /24. Our default gateway will be, and our prime DNS will be our IP address, and the DNS server will be the Google DNS. Let's go to the CMD. And check our configuration. So this is our IP address and this is our default gateway. Let's ping the Google server. It's working. Now let us install the Active Directory. add features and roles. Click next, next, then click next. This is the Active Directory domain service that we want. And let's add the DNS server. Okay, we will gonna set it up later on. This is our Active Directory. Click next. So by default, it's clicked, it's selected the group policy management. Click next, next, and then install. So now we are installing our Active Directory domain. The installation is finished. Or let's promote our server domain and a new forest. The name will be .local. It's very important. Click next. You have to assign a password for our domain. So it's gonna be our domain name. This is the review station where you can review your setup. So here it says all pre-request checks passed successfully. So click install. Now we have to sign in on our domain that we have created. This is our domain controller. Here on the local server, this is our domain that we have promoted. And we have enabled remote desktop. And we have assigned an IP address manually. And we have changed the time zone. But we have an issue here with the network. Let's check what's the issue. IP version 4. So let's write our IP address. And this will be our Google DNS. Open the CMD. IP config. Let's ping the Google server. On the next series, I will be creating organizational units and create user accounts and